Hello, Richard here from Cantian. Holidays are about downtime, time to spend with friends and family and of course recharge your batteries. But maybe for you it also means having to check the status of your IT systems at work on a regular basis, maybe logging in remotely, even having to go on site to fix problems as and when they occur. If this does happen to you, then maybe it's time to consider what some further intelligent automation could do to make your processes run smoother, run with more resilience, using capabilities like auto recovery, like proactive alerting, of course, to deliver that better resilience and faster problem resolution as well. If that sounds like your type of holiday, then perhaps give us a call. We can explore with you how we can help you work more effectively, freeing up your time to spend as you wish and deliver more resilient systems to your business going forward. Enjoy your holidays and we'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.